Welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to be making lazy glumpkies today. I'm going to need ground pork, ground hamburger, a cup of rice, a head of cabbage, some salt, some pepper, a freshly cut onion, and some tomato sauce. To start my dinner, I'll begin this right now from start to finish and take you 35 minutes. Thank you. Put the time on the clock. It is 10:51. I've just chopped up an onion and I am getting ready to add hamburger and roast pork. The time is now 10:58 and I'm going to add some butter. And while this is cooking and the hamburger and the pork is cooking, I have cut up the cabbage. Doesn't take any extra time. I put in the cabbage and I stir it. I try to mix it together. The time is now 11:02. My cabbage is boiling and it's time to add some rice. Now remember, cabbage and rice both tend to eat up all the water they can. So you have to be careful or your rice won't cook. So what I do is I add the rice and then I add a little bit of water. Time is now 11:03 and I'm going to add some rice. I add half a cup or so. No, maybe a little bit less. Then I'm going to add some water to give the cabbage a little bit to drink. And then I'm going to stir. My next step is to just add the tomato sauce. I just use my favorite ragu. You can use any kind you want, but this is the lazy Golumpki. And if you're lazy and you don't have the time like I do with 3 kids, a house and a job, I mix it together. And I put the cover on it. And then maybe every 5 minutes or so, I check for fluid. Because like I said, cabbage and rice both eat up any fluid they have. Okay. Now I put a cover on it. And I cook it for 10 minutes. Please note that I have now covered it and I am turned down the heat to number 5. It's not quite the lowest, but I don't want it to stick. It's 11:07. I'm turning up the heat on my new stove to number 4. You want it to be boiling or the cabbage won't cook, and this is a little too low. Time is now 11:28 and the dinner is done. Well, it's 11:29. It took 38 minutes from start to finish. Thank you. My Golumpkies all done and ready to eat.